absolutely. I mean, I think it's an unnecessary obstacle. In any case, it's a very difficult and stressful path. It's very difficult to get funding for these kind of films. On top of, and the film is winning awards abroad. It's really unfortunate that you know. Yeah. No, I'm really looking forward to watching Shah Rukh and Anushka. What fun! And I'm sure Manish has done a wonderful and ethereal job of. I think they brought the chicken curry work to the forefront, as far as I know. So I'm looking forward to watching it.
We have been listening to about your film, Dancing Under the Burqa. What do you have to say about it? Have you watched it now? Would you like to share something about it?
No, I just want to say that it's very important for women to tell women's stories, and I think Alankrita Srivastava has done a wonderful job in Lipstick Under My Burqa. And I think that I'm really fed up of the fact that these kind of films are banned, and so many other kinds of films are not. No films should be banned at all. I think the CBFC should just give a certificate, and I think that we should watch all kinds of films. It's important that we watch films where women talk about themselves.
You don't see this is very discouraging on part of being an actor, creative person, or a filmmaker because these things still happen.
Yes, absolutely. I mean, I think it's an unnecessary obstacle. In any case, it's a very difficult and stressful path. It's very difficult to get funding for these kind of films. On top of, and the film is winning awards abroad. It's really unfortunate that people in India can't. We'll see what the tribunal has to say. But people in India should have a right, to choose for themselves whether they want to watch the film or not.
What do you think is the possible solution that we can come up as a part of industry?
No, I don't have any solutions. I'm sorry to say.
Any steps as part of the film and
I think the Cham Benegal had a committee, and they are working towards it. And I think that the guidelines need to be revised and re-examined, and there should be people accountable, who can do that job. Yeah. Thank you.